Senapati amasung Kangpokpi Districta Nauna Saba IT Center rangi ngasi Governor Ajay Kumar Bala na hongnabi matung inna sanggakray. Governor Ajay Kumar Bala gi khongchat adugi sarukama oina district ani asida paikhatliba chawkhat thaurangi thabaksing so review tawkhe. Kangpokpi Districta Governor Ajay Kumar Bala na Modbungda leiba Presidency College amade IT Center gi college campus ta chatuna yengsinkhe. IT Center adu Ministry of Home Affairs ke senthang makhada sakhibane. Governor na college adugi maharoi singa wari sanaraba tungda Kangpokpi District Headquarter da chatuna review meeting amagi mayai tangbal lawkhe. Mifam aduda district asigi DC amasung SP ga loinana DLO sing so saruk yakhe. Mifam aduda governor na Jal Jeevan Mission yaukna analayeng Mahay masin tambana chingba tungan-tunganba sector singi scheme kayagi matangda khana nainakhe. Khongchat adugi sarukama oina governor na TB patient mga adopt tawkhibaga loinana haira kaya su yenthokhe. Tongda Governor Ajay Kumar Bala na Senapati District Headquarters sa chatuna IT Center ama sangaraba tongda district asigi DC Office Complex ta review meeting amagi mayay tangbal lawkhe. District asigi DC SP amade DLO singna saruk yaduna pangtokhiba mifam aduda District Administration na mayoknariba khudongchadaba singi matangta khanakhe. Tungda Indian Red Cross Society Senapati District Branch ki mihut singa so unakhe. Governor gi khongchat aduda district animaki CSO singi luchingba kayaga unaduna makhoi na thingnariba awaba singi matangda wari sanakhe. CSO singa adugi maikaidagi so Governor Ajay Kumar Bala da memorandum mama pisinke. Tungda Governor na Senapati Astro Turf Ground da pangthokpa Lieutenant Colonel Robert D.A. Memorial Open Football Tournament के मरी सुबह एडिशन के फाइनल मैच में देखा